Hurricane season is coming. Are you and your windows ready? In this video, I'll show you how impact windows play a key role in storm protection and give you essential safety tips to keep your home and family secure. Section 1. Check your impact windows. Before the first storm warning hits, inspect your impact windows. Look for any cracks in the glass, broken seals, or signs of moisture between the panes. Test every lock and make sure the frames are sealed tightly with no gaps. If anything seems off, fix it now, not later. Section 2. Clean plus clear for safety. Clean your window tracks and remove any debris. Dirt can block drainage. Make sure your weep holes are clear so water doesn't build up inside. Also, trim any trees or branches near your windows to avoid damage from flying debris. Section 3. Backup measures for extra safety. Even with impact windows, it's smart to have backups and keep plywood or storm panels on hand for non-impact windows or doors. And always have an emergency kit nearby. Flashlight, batteries, water, and first aid, just in case power goes out. Section 4. Whole home hurricane check. Walk around your home, secure outdoor furniture, close and lock all impact windows, and check that garage doors are reinforced. Make sure everyone in the house knows where the safest room is, ideally one without windows. Section 5. Get professional help if needed. If you're not sure your windows are storm ready, get a professional inspection. A quick check now could save you thousands in damage later. We offer free consultations and will tell you exactly what needs attention. Hurricane season doesn't wait, and neither should you. Impact windows are your home's first line of defense, but only if they're ready. Call us today for an inspection, maintenance, or a free quote, and stay safe this season. We build trust,